Hello and welcome to Sawdust Sunday. Thank you all for tuning in and clicking on this video. Thank you so much. Sorry about last week, but I'm hope to make it up to you guys because this week I'm super excited. So one thing, sports is back. It's awesome time to kind of get excited about the fall and that with everything happening. Sports is a nice way to go around, come around and unify everybody, so it's awesome. And one of my neighbors, he's really into baseball, and he's teaching me more about especially the professional league. I played baseball in high school. I wasn't very good, but I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun, the team camaraderie and stuff like that. So he gave me this Ryan Braun jersey, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's awesome. So as a thank you, I'm like, okay, I gotta do something for him, and I made him this as a thank you. He plays on a little on a league around here, so I figured, hey, his number's number 4, so I figured I'll make him this and that. And this is my first 3D carve that I've done for somebody, and I'll show you my test carve in just a little bit. But this turned out amazing. I'm still learning of how the best way to finish it, but it turned out amazing in that it's kind of it's grippy like a bat in that because of how I polished it. And yeah, I'm super excited to give this to him. So that leads me to this amazing machine right behind me. It turned 1 year old this month, and I would not be here without it. So this is my X-Carve. It is a CNC router. It's 1,000mm by 1,000mm. It's by Inventables, and it is an amazing machine. And it's very yeah, I never did CNC work before this. It's very forgiving, and that especially with the software that comes with it. But that software is a subscription base, so I decided to upgrade, and I upgraded to Vertex software because it lets me do 3D work. Now there's ways to play around with some 3D stuff, but I tell you what I was able to do in that. So this is absolutely amazing because I could, as a regular baseball bat, but I added a little dish here. I added the number to it, and this was my very first test. And check out the detail on this. Isn't that amazing? And I just used an 1/8 inch bullnose and that, so that means that the bit is rounded. Actually, you can grab it here. It's right here. So the bit itself is rounded, and I actually used a couple of different bits to do both of these. So this was actually a 3-bit setup, and this was a 2-bit setup, and I just cut it out the rest of the way. But I'm super impressed with it, and I know I can get better and tighter detail. But this was the first. I've been learning this for the last 2 weeks and I was trying to get the bat done for last Sunday, and it didn't work out, so I figured I'd save it for this Sunday and show you guys, because this is amazing, because I'm going to be much better able to help you guys out in creating beautiful woodwork for you. So thank you guys. If you guys want to see me do something in that, I had to actually pay an additional money, but being part of the 82nd Airborne, it's not at all a problem in that for me to drop something to let me know what I can do in that, and I can expand this and I can modify this in a lot of different ways, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys in the future. And like I said, if you guys want to see something done on this machine, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I kind of covered how I made this, and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and have a great week.